Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video I would like to make tutorial about temperature in Microbit. Okay, let's go. But you can click input and end up on button A. And after that, go to basic, show number, and go to input and end up temperature. And click basic again and counting Celsius. And you can copy paste for making easier and change on button A to B. And you go to variable and set variable is remor. Oh yeah, don't forget you can you first make the variable first and go to math that go to math and end of this and after that uh end of this and change to the 0.5 and nothing more more and after that uh prepares for making easier and change to the a plus b and if you can delete this and you click this just F. Okay, I will connect download the code. Wait, is the download and after that research project here or you already name given on here deck video and uh let's forget the name. Oh, project video tutorial. This and taken up to the microbit. This is the file till transfer. Okay, so I would like to make end up again. I would like to make end up first. We cannot. Wait, wait. I will repeat again. To repeat and end up again. Okay, by using this, if you click this, ah, like this. and after that, uh, this is 21 Celsius. And if, you- if you click this B and it's same. Okay, maybe just that from my video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.